Hey everybody, BlackBerry Brad here for BearPro.com, and today we are outside enjoying the very beautiful weather here. And what better way to enjoy the beautiful weather than with a beautiful phone? Let's unbox the BlackBerry KEY2. Alright, the day is finally here. We finally have the BlackBerry KEY2 here with us. Thank you to the folks over at BlackBerry Mobile, or TCL, for sending us out a review unit to BearPro.com to check out for the time being. Greatly anticipated device, the BlackBerry KEY2, the follow-up, of course, to the BlackBerry KEYone, a big hit with many BlackBerry fans, non-BlackBerry fans for that matter, folks from a media standpoint, and smartphone users around the world too. So BlackBerry KEY2 is here. It's finally in our hands. We're able to unbox it. Now, first off, just want to apologize if this video is not coming out very clear, the audio is not coming out very clear. I'm not recording my normal setup, so just keep that in mind. But let's take a look inside the box of the BlackBerry KEY2. So let's take a look here. Let's get the sleeve out of the way. Of course, BlackBerry Mobile did send me over the black version of the BlackBerry KEY2. The BlackBerry KEY2 does come in a black or silver. This one is the 64 variant. There is going to be a 128 variant as well. Let me see if there's any tape here. It doesn't look like so. It looks like you can just kind of pull. Kind of wish it was the same boxing or packaging that the BlackBerry Motion came in. If you remember that, check it out. I'll put it in the cards above. All right, take this guy off. And here it is, the bad boy itself, the BlackBerry KEY2 in all of its glory here. There's that. Of course, we will put that to the side. Man, it's so light. And we are going to take a look at what's under the rest of the box here on the KEY2. Take this guy away. Of course, this looks like your average documentation that comes with the BlackBerry KEY2, or that came exactly like it did with the KEYone. There's also a SIM eject tool inside here, so you can see there where that might be. Oh, here it is, probably. Nope. This says welcome to. Oh, that says nothing on the back. This says welcome to your new BlackBerry KEY2, to your new Android smartphone, which is of course the BlackBerry KEY2. He's always great. Some more documentation here, and there's supposed to be a SIM eject tool in here somewhere. Let's see. Oh, there it is. I open up the flap. There it is. These are great to have. I throw one in my keychain to always have with me because I'm always constantly changing devices. So you also get the power brick. Nothing too fancy there. You get a pair of you also get the USB-C cable as well to plug in your device, charge it up. USB-C is so great to have nowadays. We also get the some new in-box headsets, and what I was told during the BlackBerry launch event, that these actually were re-engineered. These are premium headsets, so these should be actually pretty good in-ear headsets. I always loved the BlackBerry headsets that came with the KEYone, the one that came with the Motion. Even the Priv had some pretty good BlackBerry headsets. So BlackBerry devices have always come with really good headsets in general in the past. So let's see what we got here. So these are pretty cool looking. So if you check these guys out, they're in-ear headphones. So I'll have to do a kind of a review on the in-ear headphones that come with the device. But nice big BlackBerry logo on the outer portions of the headsets, so people know what kind of device you're using these with. There's also a microphone as well. The microphone actually has BlackBerry written right on it. You can see that in the camera. So there, we'll put those to the side. We'll definitely tell you how those sound in a minute, or in another video or another article here. But now we're going to get to the thing we're all here for, which is the BlackBerry KEY2, and we're going to do the famous screen protector pull. So I'll put that next to the microphone so you can hear it. Such a good sound. One of my favorite sounds in the whole entire world. So the screen protector is off, and we're going to take the back piece off. Just to show you what's on the back is, trying to use a very good way, the camera here. You also have your, so we have your SIM tray over here, which is showing off You also have your port on the bottom. So let's peel this off and we'll take a further tour around the device. All right, there it is, the BlackBerry KEY2. No plastic on it, in our hands. Let's take a quick look around the device. First, you'll see the 4.5-inch display. It is the same display that is on the BlackBerry KEYone. Hopefully it's a little brighter than it was on the KEYone, but if not, we should be just fine. Also on the front, you have the 8-megapixel camera in the front for your selfies, for your video conferences and such like that. So should be all right. You also have the keyboard, which is an intelligent keyboard, as we all know. Nice size keyboard. Very reminiscent of, as I said during the launch event, the BlackBerry Bold 9900. We'll have to definitely put it through its test to see if it lives up to the Bold 9900. It also kind of reminds me, just kind of quick looking at it, of the classic keyboard as well. So it's not as big as a classic, but so that's there. Also on the device, you have the Smart Key, which is the new button on the BlackBerry keyboard for the first time in a decade, pretty much. So we'll definitely can't wait to use this Smart Key to help in multitasking and switching between apps. On the left-hand side of the device, we have just a SIM card tray. So the SIM card tray is the only thing on the left-hand side of the device. Compare that to the BlackBerry KEYone. You had a button over there. That button was the power button. Now, a lot of people didn't like the power button being over there. I wasn't a huge fan of it, but I was definitely used to it because that's where it was on the Priv, and that's where the device I was coming from at that time. But it is nice to see that they flipped everything over to the right-hand side. So on the right-hand side, we have the volume keys, the power button, and you also have the convenience key. Now, kind of wish the power and the convenience key were flipped a little bit, just so you had the last button is your power button, but you should be able to get used to it. This is actually very reminiscent of the BlackBerry Motion, if you remember. Now, they did space out the buttons a little bit there. The frame of the device, the aluminum frame of the device, is very reminiscent of the BlackBerry Motion, but it feels a lot better on the KEY2, which is that first hold of the device. So that is where your power and your volume keys are with your convenience key. On the bottom, you have your speaker grills. Hopefully they are very loud, they're well engineered. And you also have your USB-C port to charge your device with. On the top, you have your 3.5mm headphone jack. Thank you very much, BlackBerry Mobile, for keeping that there. And then on the back, you have the dual camera setup. First time ever on a BlackBerry device, you have a dual camera. These are both 12-megapixel cameras, one for wide angle lens and your tele lens as well. You also have your dual tone flash, the BlackBerry logo. This is darked out on the black version. On the silver version, it looks pretty much just like the BlackBerry KEYone's logo on the back. And you also have this diamond finished back here. Feels really good. We'll definitely let you know how it feels throughout usage of the device. But so there it is, the BlackBerry KEY2 quick tour we took. Of course, we're going to do a full overview video and a video review of this device as well, so make sure you stay tuned to bearport.com to get even more in-depth analysis of the BlackBerry KEY2 and our full review of it. Stay tuned. BlackBerry Brad